How's it going, guys? I'm back with another card opening. I spent about 50 bucks at Walmart getting cards. I really didn't get that many cards. I just grabbed what I thought I would like. Be a mystery, just see what I get. And I didn't realize how much some of these things went for now. The first one I'm going to open, which might be silly, but I'm going to open the graded pack. There's this, they now have graded card packs. I found this one at Walmart. That so far, I've never seen these at any other Walmart. The Walmart I got this one at had a whole aisle of nothing but cards. Every sport, just about anything you could think of. So, here's what the pack looks like. It says 1 graded card, look for Chase graded cards. And here's what the back of the box looks like. So I'm not sure if there's a pack inside here with a graded card or just a graded card, or exactly what the deal is with these, but I've never seen these before, so let's open it up and see what we got. Had to readjust my phone. That was really easy to open. Looks like just a graded card is in here. And I paid 20 bucks for this card, so I don't know if it's worth it or not, but let's see what we got. Alright. It says 10 gym men or better, so that's really good. It's the highest you can get on the grading scale. So that's pretty cool. And that's all that's in that box. I figured there'd be something else in it. A paper or something, but nope. 20 bucks for that one graded card. I don't know if that's good or bad, but hey. Alright, here's the next one I bought. I can't remember how much the 10 was. I'm guessing it was probably $10 or $15. I only bought 4 items and it was $50 and some odd cents, so I just liked it because it had a magic card on the tin box. And let's see what's inside. Maybe. See my money? Yay! That's all the money I got left over. Alright, this box is harder to open than I thought it would be. Took both hands to open that. Alright, here's what it looks like on the inside. Really cool Pikachu coin. Wow, that thing's really heavy. It's heavier than the normal ones you get. Alright. Mr. Magic Card. I like that, that's cool. A little information on it. Code card. Pokemon Go cards. Looks like you get 2 packs. Hang on just a second, guys. Let me get resituated here. Put some of this stuff back in the box so I can pre-open these packs so I can see what's in it. Luckily, there's 10 cards per pack. And for those that don't know, McDonald's soon is going to have Pokemon cards again. So be on the lookout for those. And make sure to buy lots of Happy Meals so you can get more cards and get the set. Okay, I've got that one started. Bear with me, guys. Sorry that you have to stare at my pant leg. But that's part of the fun, right? This is what happens when you don't have a selfie stick. Okay, we got the other one started. I'm going to do this a little different than I did last time. I'm going to set this up right here. Maybe. This will be a wonderful blooper video if you want something to laugh at. Okay, let's see. Hope I made y'all dizzy a little bit. Alright. There's really no good way for me to do this while I'm sitting in my car. Okay. Let me get these out of the pack. Okay. Alright, I'm just going to put them into the box. Alright, got a pneumal. Alright, this will be one of my favorites. I know it's Eradicate, but I've always been a fan of Eradicate. Don't judge me. Tranquil. Nothing fancy yet. 2. And then his evolution. Nice and shiny. Okay, we got a male metal. Would be the rare card in the pack. And grass energy. Pokestop. Stylix. Another one of my favorites. And the non-hollow version. And code card. I'd say that was a pretty decent pull on those. Finish getting this other pack open. Another favorite of mine, Mr. Squirtle. Alright, I got the Rattata to go with my Eradicate. Well, now I've got 2 Eradicates. Oh yeah. Come on. Mr. Spark. I need some more water Pokemon. Alright, another Stylix. I can deal with that. Dark energy. Where's my good stuff? Oh yeah. I don't know which one of these two is the best. But there we go. That's my pull. That's awesome. Alright. I'm more excited about this one though. It is Gyarados. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Look at those attacks. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. I'm so happy I bought this Magikarp box that has exactly what I want in it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that card pool. I'll be doing a baseball card pool next because I only bought baseball cards. I actually am not much of a baseball fan, but I love watching the Cardinals play. especially Albert Pujols, someone that doesn't use steroids that can hit a lot of home runs. So hopefully we'll get an Albert Pujols card in this baseball card opening I'll have in my next video. Thanks, guys. Tell me what else you'd like to see. Like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. Alright, guys. Hopefully this video will be a little better than my last one on the Pokemon card openings. But I got 2 packs of Topps Heritage baseball cards. On the box or the pack it says 20 cards or 20 total cards. Packs with an insert may only have 16 to 19 cards. So hopefully I got an insert and even a basic Albert Pujols card I'll be happy with, because he's one of my favorite baseball players no matter what team he's played on. I followed his whole career and I'm not much of a baseball fan, but I'd like to have an Albert Pujols card to go with when I was a baseball fan back in the 90s, watching Mark McGwire and Sammy Sosa slam it out. But the one thing I like about Albert Pujols is he never used roids, so to me his stats are more legit. Alright, let's look at the pack. There we go. Alright, let's give me a minute and I'll get these cards halfway open and then I'll start pulling the cards out. Alright, here we go. Time to see what I got. I like these older well, not old, but these new Topps cards. Just because of the old cardboard style. Like, they feel like cards from like the 80s. Alright. There we go. Like I said, I don't know much about baseball or much of these people at all, but I do follow Albert Pujols pretty closely and watch most of the Cardinal games. Now this will explain why the scanner went off at Walmart when I bought these, as one of those deactivation things inside the pack. Alright, anyway, let's keep going. This is why I don't buy baseball cards, because I've yet to find anything interesting. Unlike the Pokemon cards. See, that one's a little bit different, but I don't know if it's good or not. Wow, not one Cardinals card. Hello? Cardinals anywhere? This is kind of a dud for me. I don't know if that's a good card or not. But yeah, not one Cardinals card in both those packs. Not one Cardinals player. That's disappointing. I think these were like $8 a pack. Well, there's $16 wasted, in my opinion. Maybe somebody can get some use out of them. I'll probably give this away on probably a lot on eBay. I usually sell miscellaneous stuff and I'll throw in cards that I don't like or whatever just as extras. So all those will go together into a lot. Hopefully somebody will get some enjoyment out of them. I'm more excited about the Pokemon cards, which I'll probably keep the few that I really like the Magikarp and Gyarados and Raticate, and get rid of the graded card and the V card. I'm not much into those unless it's a character I really like. But yeah, that's it for me for the card opening for today. And like I said, I'm always up for trying new things, new food, new anything really. You just tell me what to do in the link in the comment section and I will try it out. Alright guys, you guys have a blessed day.